What's up, nail friends? So I recorded this voiceover and then it vanished. I don't understand. So now I have to redo it. But here I am redoing this voiceover. So I'm going to share with you guys how to do the Beetlejuice nails. Let's get started. To start this set, I've already filed down her past set. It's not going to matter that she has some leftover color because her nails are basically an overlay now. So when she turns her hands over, you're really just going to see her natural nails. So I'm just coming in with Glam and Glitz Afterglow, and I'm using my Crystal Nails A6 brush to apply this. So this color glows in the dark, so I thought it'd be really cool to use in this set. But unfortunately, I totally forgot to record her nails glowing in the dark, and I always forget that. But today I did a set with that glow in the dark, and I remembered to do that. So I'll try to remember to do that from now on. So I just applied a small bead near the cuticle area, and I kind of dragged that down the nail. And now I'm just applying a bigger bead right in the center, and I'm kind of patting and pulling it into place. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to show you guys that I did encapsulate these white nails, and then I am going to be applying clear acrylic just on the pinky, pointer, and thumb as well, because those nails are just going to be plain black gel polish nails. So I did switch my brush when encapsulating to the Glitterbels number 12 brush. So I did finish file off camera, cleanse the nails, and now I'm coming in with Ugly Duckling number 43 black gel polish, and I'm just applying 2 thin coats on her ring finger, middle finger, and thumb. I did this in place of black acrylic because my client actually didn't have a ton of time and I really wanted to do the hand painted design, so I found that this would sped up the process a little bit. So I'm just curing this layer, and then I'm coming in and applying a second layer. So I gave that a cure, and now I'm coming in and using Ugly Duckling matte top coat on top of those black nails, and then again giving that a cure. So now I've mixed some greens together from Jellyfit Australia, and I'm using a dotting tool to create kind of like green gunky drips. So I take my Egoista art brush and I'm just pulling up that drip to make it look like it's coming from the cuticles, and then I'm connecting the drips together. So I wanted this nail to be matte instead of shiny, so I just sprinkling some clear acrylic onto that wet gel. So I cured her finger, and now I'm coming in and I'm doing kind of like Beetlejuice's blazer that he wears. It's kind of like a white blazer with black stripes, and he's dirty and grungy, so I'm adding this kind of gross green color around the sides. And then I'm going to go over this after curing it with some black paint and draw the pinstripes for his outfit, but I don't want them to be perfect, so I'm just kind of drawing a line and then kind of messing it up. So I'm using black magic gels, universal black, and I'm just kind of drawing some lines and making them nice and messy. Nothing too perfect. When I'm happy with that, I added a little bit more black, and then I kind of just rubbed the leftover black onto that nail, and then I cured that, and now I'm coming in with Ugly Duckling matte top coat again. Okay, now for the hand painted design. So this is the photo I was inspired by. So I'm just coming in and I'm using a pencil, and I like to pencil in my outline before drawing anything permanent. This way you can erase anything if you make any mistakes, but this is just my preference. I've seen a lot of nail techs just go right in with the black outline, but for me, I get nervous doing that, so I like to draw it first. I've seen this asked in my past videos what pencil I'm using. This is just a mechanical pencil. You can use any pencil. I have used any pencil, it doesn't matter. I'm just using this mechanical pencil because it's what I had right next to me. So I just like to put the picture on my phone and then stand my phone up right in front of me, and then I kind of look at the phone, look at the nail, and I just keep trying to make it match the best I can. Once I'm happy with the outline, now I'm going to come in and go over it again with some black gel paint. So I'm using the Magic Gel's Universal Black, and the art brush I'm using here is from Egoista. I like this brush because it's super thin at the very tip and it holds a lot of color, so you can spend more time making your outline and stuff before flash curing. So this part doesn't really matter that much because you are going to go over the nail with color and then you are going to redo the outline. So this is kind of like a second practice outline. So you just want to make sure you have minimal product on your brush and just try to do as even strokes as you can. But if you do make any mistakes, you can always wipe it off before curing. So anytime you see this transition, that's when I've made my client flash cure. So I do have her flash cure it quite often. So now I'm just coming in and I've mixed some yellows together to create kind of a pastel yellow, and I'm using this for his hair. Whenever I make a mistake, I just use a pointy brush and some alcohol and I just wipe it off before curing. So all the products I'm using here are from Jellyfit Australia. I absolutely love their gel polishes for hand painting. I find them super smooth, they don't wrinkle, and you can build them up and they have great coverage. So I love to use Jellyfit for this. So here I'm coming in with a really light lavender kind of purple. It looks white on the camera, but it was light purple. And I'm just going over to do his skin now. So I had her flash cure that, and now I'm coming in and doing some bright yellow for his eyes. So you can kind of see me down here mixing these greens together to create the greens for the teeth. That's what I really like about Jellyfit for doing hand painted designs, because you can mix their colors together to create the perfect color for what you're doing. Now I'm coming in with some purples to do his eye and his tongue, and then I give that a flash cure. And then I'm pretty much done most of the coloring, and now you're just going to want to go back over all your colors all over again just to build them up a little bit, make sure there's no shadowing or anything. Once I'm happy with that, I gave that a cure, and then I do the eyes and the tongue again, and then I'm going to give that a cure, and then now you're going to want to come in and redo your outline. So I'm just going right back over that outline all over again, but I am trying to make it a little bit thicker, and there's certain spots in the photo, like around his eyes and stuff, that are a lot thicker, so I will build that up as well. So now I'm just coming in and doing the black mouth because I didn't do that earlier. And that doesn't really need more than one coat because Magic Gel is super pigmented. Really adding that extra black outline at the end really just makes everything pop. So I'm just using a small dotting tool to redo the eyes. I gave that a full cure, and then I'm covering the whole nail in the Ugly Duckling matte top coat. And then I gave that one last cure, and here's the finished design. Hope you guys like this design, and if you want to see more hand painted designs, please let me know and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check my channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!